Mentri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad K Sangma ulong ba ke jingiakren iasuk ba shong hapdeng ka kynhun kieng ka Hynniewtrep National Liberation Council bat ke Sorkar kan sestang no hak tegawan kong jong pana jeliu mentau snem. Hadin malawai ke jingilang jong ke kynhun menteri habakeren hakilat betai khubor Mentri Rangbah ke jylla ulong bau Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong ulai kendu ia kinoi lam jong seng Hnlc ha ke balai donlang political secretary vice chairman bat ke executive member jong ke Hnlc rengkat ru bat uksiang bat ha kene ke jingi kendu la sim ia karai ba ke jingiakren iasuk kan sedang no nadu ubanai banwan. Conrad K Sangma ulong ru ba ketegi jingiakren bat ke seng Hnlc kalayat cekmat lembah uksiang. Kilapan pau ba ya Kata kena kimat bat kum ke Sorkar on persyang ban pentikna ba kino kisin jam ki ba on sim on pentikna ba kinlong ki ba hap bat ki kendon bat ki ban long singany ha baro kiliang bat wat ye kiwe kimat ki ba sngo kiaru on persyang ban sim kia ong Mentri Rangbah. Susu Conrad K Sangma ulong ru Henry Lada ki kendon ki balong pat syabar ruput usam jong ke jingkemi ke Sorkar jylla bat kindon ru ki jingiakren ki bahap bani don lang ki he Sorkar Pdeng bat ye kiti kimat pat on hap bani keren ha kiti Kyrdan. Kumta ke jingiakren kelas dang ba on sapej kumno kaniat cakmat bat lakmi lenti ba on la bat penbej ya baro ki jinge.
One, of course, all the discussions that are taking place with the interlocutor. So whatever discussions are there, he will be in a better position to discuss. Of course, they have mentioned certain points that are there, and obviously, as a government, we will try to ensure that whatever steps can be taken to ensure that they are comfortable in terms of and feel safe from all angles, and and other issues which are concerned, we will try to take them up. But obviously, conditions that are beyond the state government's jurisdiction and certain discussions which has to be taken place with Government of India, those matters will have to be taken up at that level, and hence the talks are starting, and then we will see how it goes forward, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to come to a positive solution. Talking about the GNLA, as I mentioned, that we receive a lot of intel and on a daily basis, and different reports come in based on different intel collected at different levels, and hence sometimes we have to do a cross check, double check on that. We go into more details, we find out how much truth is there in that particular intel. So it's a process that goes on every day. So it's why and how this came out, we are obviously inquiring into the whole matter. But like that, as I said, there are multiple reports that come in, and government takes a lot of actions based on these multiple inputs that we give. But as I said, we don't talk about it because obviously these are some things which are internal to the police department. But that's how law and order is. And as I said, regarding this intel that is received, it's not that we are taking it very seriously or we are not taking it very seriously. Every intel is important for us. We look into every aspect, we cross-check every aspect before coming to any kind of final conclusion. So we are going into it, we are examining every aspect of it.
Was it because of the wrong approach that it is coming at?
No, there is no guarantee that
it was a surrender.
You're not understanding my reply. I said that whether this intel is correct or not, even that has to be verified. So you have to understand that we receive 1,000 intels in a day, and and we need to verify whether these intels are actually correct or not. I don't want to go into the procedural aspect of things. First, we need to see whether this is happening or not. And yes, we are going to take it seriously, and we're not going to leave any intel out of the thing box. We're going to ensure that we go into every aspect. But only once we clarify that, then we will take necessary steps to decide on it. So it'll be too early for us to just jump to conclusions. Not saying it's not serious. I'm not saying that we should ignore it. I'm not saying that it may not be true, but we need to verify every aspect before we jump to any conclusion, and more intel is required before we can give any kind of